With master data information, it's possible to copy items, and it's possible to inherit the master data information from other items. Let's say I would like to copy an item that looks a lot like the new item I'm going to do. So I can select copy items from the menu, and there's some extra fields in this functionality than when copying customers and vendors. So we will show this in a separate video. Of course, I select to create a new item. I can enter the item number manually or select it from a number series, and I can create an item description. I'll do an electric bike here, and I can copy just like on the customers and vendor. I can use a template to copy mandatory fields. I can copy unit of measures, master data information values. I would like to maybe copy all the information on the item that I just need to change afterwards. But then in the footer, I can create a copy of the bill of material and the routing. If I don't select those fields and the item is a production item, it will just copy the routing and BOM number in the field routing and BOM. So it uses the same routing and BOM as the item I'm copying from. If I select copy here, BOM copy and routing, it will create a new BOM and a new routing with the same number as the new item number I'm creating. And I can also only copy the active versions or all of the versions. But the cool stuff is I could also copy from an existing production order, either an open one or finished one. So I've already made a production order that I modified, and I would like to create a new item number for this. I could copy on that one as well. So let's take an example in here. If I take a firm plan production order, and it could have been, as I said, a released production order, a finished production order, whatever. And I have this production order here that I just made, and I modified the components and routing, and I'll just modify it even more, saying I need 4 handlebars for some reason here, and I need extra items. So I have this order where I'm changing the components, and I'm changing the routing as well. So this production order, if I remember this one, copy this order number here. When I come back to my copy window, I could select this production order. Oops, it's a firm plant production order, and it will test that I'm not copying the standard in here, and it's line number 10,000, like this. So it creates a new routing, a new bill of material on item number 70,003. If I'm looking at that one now, in here, my electric bike that I just did, it would have copied first of all my specifications, my master data information from the item selected, so I can change those in here to be correct. And then it would have made a copy on my routing and production BOM, and it provided the same number as the item number. So if I'm looking at this production BOM in here, I would expect it to have those modifications that I had on my production order. So in this way, it's possible and very easy to create new bill of materials and new routings when copying items.